Google Ads Remarketing, how to retarget visitors and increase sales. Are you looking to boost your sales by targeting potential customers who have already shown interest in your products or services? Google Ads Remarketing is an effective tool that allows you to reconnect with these visitors and encourage them to complete their purchase. Let's dive into how you can set it up and maximize your success. Remarketing works by using cookies to track visitors once they leave your site. You can then display tailored ads to these users as they browse other websites within the Google Display Network. The first step is to set up a remarketing list in Google Ads. This list segments your audience based on their behavior, such as pages visited or specific actions taken. Next, you create custom ads that speak directly to these users. Be sure to craft compelling messages and use eye-catching visuals that remind them of the benefits of your offerings. You can even offer special promotions or discounts to entice them to return and purchase. Monitoring your campaign's performance is key. Use metrics like click-through rate and conversion rate to assess effectiveness and adjust strategies as needed. A/B testing different ad copies and visuals can help optimize results. Remember, good remarketing practices respect user privacy and comply with all regulations. It's important to provide clear opt-out options and be transparent about data usage. By strategically using Google Ads Remarketing, you can re-engage past visitors, increasing the likelihood they'll convert into paying customers. It's a powerful way to keep your brand top of mind and drive more sales. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on boosting your online marketing.